Okay, so I'm gonna continue working on this plumbing project, and let's see. Let's look at the link and see where we are. Okay, so what I need to do, there's some piping that's going up to, I think it's a mezzanine level. So I'm going to rotate this drawing, and let's go 90, and let's look at this. There's a piece here that's, as if you can see, let me turn off the link. So when I turn off the link, it's going to go off. But what I need to do is trace that. See, it's off now, but I need to trace that bit of information. Let's look at the section view and see what we got. I think I need to turn on the plumbing model here. Okay, so yeah, I need to, looks like that's coming in from below block 35. So let's see, what size is this? It is a 2-inch. Okay. So let's go back and I'm just going to use this, create similar, and I'm sure it's going to slope down. And let's go slope down, and I'm going to change this to a 2-inch, and I can adjust it. But from here, sanitary parking. Okay, and let's take a look at. Okay, so let's call this is going to be parking, drainage. So sanitary parking. Okay, so we have, let's just bring it over a little bit. And what I need to do is turn off my plumbing model. And let's look at this. Let's go to the section and just kind of bring it up a little bit. Okay. Let's do this. Let's turn it off. So what I'm going to need to do is connect. Let's see. Let's turn that back on. So as I go up, I need to change my slope. My slope is going to go up now, and it's probably let's make that a 1/4 inch. I'm going to create similar, but I'm going to change my slope value to a 1/4 inch because it's 2 inches. Let's go down here. Let's go down. Okay. So I'm going to erase this, and let's go back. That's about right there. And let's go back to the section view, and I need to slope up. Let's go up, and I'm just going to make that right there, and just kind of move this guy over. That's right there. Okay, so we can make that adjustment. So here, let's see, I think I might need to be a little bit further. I need to have this pipe down a little bit more because I need to make that fit in, or I can go into the side of it. Let's see. Let's go to the section. I think I'll go on the side. Yeah. So, and with slow piping, and when I fit into, I come in the top or at an angle at 45 degrees, or I can go horizontal. So I'm going to go horizontal and make the connection. It's always a bit of a trick to doing this fitting. I think it's going to be hidden line. Yeah, okay. So what I like to do is create these construction lines in the middle here, go up, and this usually works. I can usually eyeball it, but sometimes it's better if I eyeball it. Then let's do this. Let's create so I can see that it's a little bit higher. So I'm going to just come down a little bit. And I'm just going to eyeball it so I can make sure that I get that. That's probably close enough. Now let's see what happens. I'm going to move this guy over so that I can trim it. So let's trim here, and let's go back. And what I need to make this is a Y combination. So it's probably, let's look at the routing information here. So Y combination, okay. I'll say okay to this. Okay here. And let's just have some fun here. Let's go back to realistic. Fine. And I'm gonna drag this to there. Okay, so that looks like a good fit. I like it. And from here it goes up. And I think let's look at the model, the original model. Okay, I think that's okay. Yeah. So I'm coming. So what I'm doing is, let me erase this detail line. So that looks good. So I'm going up to collect. I think I can go all the way up. Let's go all the way up. Well, let's see what the original model has. Okay. Yeah. So somewhere at block 35, this is a collection where the size that's required is only a 2-inch. So going back to my floor plan. Okay, so I can label all of this, but I'm gonna wait and label them later. Maybe not. But so that's how this part of the section is. Yeah, it's a little bit different. I think, yeah, it's fine. So that was the original model, and this is my model. And so we made that connection, and we make that connection. So according to the original model, it looks like we're all caught up in terms of the piping. These are the notes. That's all the original model. The water PO2, and that's the S3. That's the original. These are my notes. So there's no other piping. It looks like that I need to go over. That's in the structure. That's in the piping area. That's in the parking area. Okay, so that looks good. So I think that's all I'm gonna do today. So I made this fitting made the connection into my main pipe with a 2-inch at a slope of 1/4 inch. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop here, and I hope that helped. I'll talk to you guys later.